So then what are the topics we have pending is like software testing life cycle, one small topic we have pending. So along with that one, if you remember, like in our starting class I could have told you like uh, there are so many life cycle models you will come across, but in all those models these days most of the people following agile methodology. Along with that one, waterfall model and v model also people were following, but that is world trend. But nowadays people going for agile methodology. But at the time I have explained you like only waterfall model and v model, but other models I haven't explained. Okay, so this is the time for telling those are the models. So first what we do is like testing life cycle, I didn't cover. So that is also one important topic. So that is what we go for. Okay, so waterfall model means whatever the phase is going on, only those team members gets present, other team members won't get present. The drawback of waterfall model is if that is the case, if any critical issue you found in testing phase, again you have to come up with analysis, again you have to come up with design, again you have to come up with development. This is the major issue with your waterfall model. To overcome that problem, V model comes into picture. So V model is nothing but like one side development activities, another side testing activities. That means both the development and testing activities will be going on parallelly. So how exactly means, and another important change in your V model is all team members gets present in all the phases. In waterfall model, developers testers also gets involved. In V model, sorry, in design phase and development phase, all developers, testers, all team analysis, all team members gets involved. Okay, so if that is the case, that means like whatever phase is going on, uh, whatever the things are getting ready, there itself you are trying to finding out issue and resolve it. So that is the major advantage of like V model. Okay, so that is nothing but like your little bit at the time I have explained very in detail, but if you want to hear again you can go for that video again. So why I have briefed is like you have to go for like software testing life cycle. In V model, left side you will be able to see like development activities, right side you will see testing activities. But here upper side development activities, downside testing activities. And another important thing is like in V model, you will be describing in each and every phase testing will be going on. And another thing we discuss, what each team member will be doing in each phase. Means like developers, testers, analysts, designers, all team members gets involved in all the phases. So what developers will be doing in each and every phase, what testers will be doing in each and every phase, what business analysts will be doing each and every phase. That is what we will be discussing. And each and every phase we just mentioned like testing will be happening. How exactly testing will be happening? That is what we were not discussing in either waterfall model or even V model also. So here full-fledged way we'll try to explain like how exactly testing will be happening in each and every phase. So this is nothing but like fishbone model. Normally this one is nothing but software testing life cycle. Okay, this is nothing but software testing life cycle. Software testing life cycle is nothing but like development life cycle only. In development life cycle, what are the phases you will come across? Analysis, design, development, testing, release, and maintenance. In each and every phase, testing will be happening. That is what you described in V model. How exactly testing will happen? That is what you are discussing in your software testing life cycle. Remember, 100% damn sure question. If you go for interview, they will ask you definitely. What is software testing life cycle? There is no need to get confused. Testing life cycle means development life cycle you are explaining, and in each and every phase, how exactly you are testing. That is what you will be telling. So, as you are aware of, in our IT industry, whatever the simple task it is, it needs to be reviewed by somebody else. So, like that, once one task somebody performs, it needs to be reviewed by somebody else. In how many ways you will review? Okay, that is walkthroughs, inspections, desk checking, and reviews. Reviews, walkthroughs, inspections, and desk checking. Review. You are performing some task. Your immediate colleague or peer will review. That is nothing but like peer review. Okay, so the intention of review is like, if something went wrong, needs to be bring it to bring it to correct path. So that is the major intention of review. Okay, so and in IT industry is like each and everything R&D kind of stuff, right? So we are human beings, so we may do common messages to work on that plan. Review should be there. Even in case if it is review is not there, we are human beings. What we do is like, oh, if nobody are there, so we just do whatever we want, we feel comfortable and pass it to next level, like that we do. So to work on all these problems, it needs to be review. Okay, if it's reviewed by your colleague, you will consider it like a review, peer review. It may get reviewed by your software engineer or one level upper like software engineer or senior software engineer or even team lead. Then even software engineer or senior software engineer means you can consider it like a peer review only. But if it is reviewed by your TL, you will consider it as TL review. Okay, you will consider it as TL review. Okay, so that is nothing but like reviews. Reviews are of two types: peer reviews, PEER, peer reviews, and TL, team lead review. Then walkthroughs. Who is boss for your project? Your project manager, right? Okay, your project manager. So, uh, project manager is the guy responsible for estimating how many developers require, how many testers require. Once he recruit, he is the real guy for assigning roles and responsibilities for each and every team member, whoever he recruited. So once he gets assigned his roles and responsibilities, then what is his next role? What is his next task? So daily he will be assigning roles and responsibilities to whole team members. So once he gets assigned, once daily activities are on track means, what is his daily activities of your project manager is like, how are his team members are performing daily activities? Are all activities are in the right track or not? Are his team members facing any of the issues? No project go with smooth. You may face so many issues for whatever the project it is. So like that, which type of issues his team members are facing, that is the responsibility of your project manager should get know, and he is the right guy to provide resolution for that kind of issues. Okay, so how they are resolving those issues, and in case if there are any unresolved issues still, this guy can guide you like who is the right contact person for resolving that issue. Okay, so like that, very high level, he will be taking care whole project management activities. That is also one kind of review, right? That is nothing but like walkthroughs. Okay, so project manager is the guy like who is doing every day, what are the responsibilities, how he is performing, like the performance monitoring kind of stuff. Okay. So he will be reviewing what are the tasks you are performing daily. That is nothing but like walkthrough. Remember another important point: reviews, walkthroughs, inspections, desk checking. All are nothing but like synonyms. Review, peer review, colleague review. TL review means TL review, then project manager. Okay, like that. Only the thing is like level of employee is getting vary, but the purpose is all these purposes is like you have to deliver quality application. If something went wrong, needs to bring it to correct path. That is the purpose of all these okay reviews. Okay, then walkthrough is nothing but like that is the way your project manager will track status of which all other activities are performing, how you are performing. Okay, so how you are resolving your issues, or he may provide something like that. Okay, that is nothing but like walkthroughs. Then inspections. Who will do is like clients. Clients also one kind of review. So once he gets assigned project, once agreement made in between client and company, in middle he may review how the work is going on, any point of time. Okay, and what are the work you performed, whether it is with his expectations or not, he will be reviewing. Okay, so that is nothing but like inspection. So in all this one, which one is better one? Client review, right? Inspection is nothing but client review. Okay, why? He is the real guy going to use this application, so that's why. Okay, this review is best review. Okay, best review. So client review is the best one. Okay, then desk checking. Whatever the project it is, developers they will meet separately weekly once at least, and they conduct meetings like weekly status meetings or something like that. Exactly like the developers also, each and every team independently they may conduct. Okay. So that is nothing but like that. See, all team members gets present in one location. They will meet in some conference room, some meeting room, and discuss. But today IT industry, if we take single project, single team may present in multiple locations. At that time, they will meet in conference call. Okay, and discuss what are the activities he performed enter for this week, which kind of issues he faced, how he resolved those issues, and what he is going to perform next week. Each and every guy will tell about his status along with issues clarification. Okay, so here not only he is covering like what are the issues he faced, resolutions also he is facing. That means like tomorrow you may come across same issue again. So at that time, this one will definitely help you, right? Like that, each and every team member will be telling about his status and issues. So that is nothing but like desk checking. Okay. So these are the different ways he can review. So this is nothing but like walkthroughs, inspections, desk checking, and review meeting. Along with this one not only in analysis phase. Remember, white box testing, that is also one kind of review, right? Black box testing, that is also one kind of review, right? Okay. So only the thing is terminology is getting varying, except that nothing is there. So analysis phase, what are the reviews are coming up with? Exactly in design phase also you will come across. In design phase also you will come across, but only the thing is along with these four, one more you will come up with in design phase, that is nothing but prototype. Okay, so normally design, how designers come up with, in the form of PPTs, right? PowerPoint presentations, in the form of PowerPoint presentations. Okay, so once they come up with PPTs or design documents, those documents needs to be validated, right? Needs to be reviewed. So prototypes here you are trying to review. That is the reason you are considering it as like prototype review. Okay, so normally high level design, low level design, if you take, they will come up with like in the form of PPTs. So once you come up with those documents you are reviewing, right? So that is the reason you are considering it as like prototype review. Along with that one, that is one happening under design phase. Then development phase. Once developers come up with programming, they themselves test their code. That is white box testing. Once they develop the application, send it to you for testing purpose. So once you get application, you will be doing black box testing. Also you can consider like functional testing. Like this, these two cycles will be repeatedly happening until whole application gets ready. Then in your company environment, before releasing it to the customer, install whole application and test. So that is nothing but like alpha testing. Once alpha testing done, you go to client environment, there you install and test. So that is nothing but like beta testing. Remember, so this one is nothing but like normally software testing lifecycle. So wherever you get asked like software testing lifecycle, STLC means this is the one you have to explain. Don't get confused. And how this diagram looks like, fish, right? Fishbone, right? That's why software testing lifecycle also you can consider it like fishbone model. Okay, so waterfall model is nothing but like whatever the phase is going on, only those team members gets present. V model, both development and testing activities will be going on parallelly. That means like how testing activities will be happening in each and every phase. But in detail you will be explaining in fishbone model. Any questions? Then we have left only like uh, different another life cycle models like prototyping model, rapid application development model, and fish and another model, spiral model. Spiral, rapid application development model, and fishbone. Spiral, rapid application development model, and prototype model. And agile methodology also is there. That one we'll discuss one entire hour it will take. That is agile methodology. So with that, anything we have left? That's what I will think about it. So okay. So tomorrow we'll meet 7 o'clock. 1.5 hour meet means we'll finish those topics. Shall we meet 7 o'clock tomorrow? Okay. 7 to 8:30 we'll meet tomorrow. Okay. So that this one, right? Yeah, right. I will share. Okay. I will share. Yeah, yeah. That is the reason I have discussed it here. So I will share you by tomorrow. We'll finish up manual testing. Even in case we left, we'll be discussing interview questions, right? So at the time, we'll be covering everything. One or two topics by chance if we forget means okay. So then quality center will take 2 hours, so that complete manual testing gets finished, and interview questions 1.5 hour or 2 hours again will take. Okay, but by the time you should go through all these topics. Okay, any questions there? No, no questions means thanks for your time. So tomorrow 7 p.m. Eastern time we'll meet. Okay, that's fine. Thanks for your time. Have a good day. See you, friend. Bye.